Okay, we're back. I had my memory card fill up, which was kind of weird because I thought it was a 8 gigabyte, and anyway, I guess it was fuller than I realized. So again, we took this off camera. We kind of blew out that PVC connector that is on the motor itself. That connects to where that air filter is over here on the front right-hand side of the motor. I'm just going to wipe off that extra residue that might be on there, and then we're going to go ahead and put that back over the top of the throttle body, just because again we don't want to have anything fall into that throttle body area. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this on. Again, we've just cleaned it out. It's nice and clean now. Yeah, let's see here. Wipe this out as well while I have it off. Again, just trying to get it cleaned up a little bit. It might have a little bit of oil residue on there. So we'll get this over here first. We're going to connect this section first to the air intake for the filter. We're going to rotate this down. You can see it's nice and flat now, so we can put those bolts back in. Also, remember you have to connect your PVC here back to the motor. It'll click on like so. We'll get our trusty screwdriver again, which again I probably should have used a lot shorter screwdriver, but I didn't. And we'll tighten it up here so that we've got a nice seal going into the air filter. Just kind of keep that, you know, relatively straight on there. You're not going to get it exact, but just so it's got a good wraparound and a nice seal again. I think my neighbor's dog is probably going to bark at somebody again. There she goes. So that's nice and snug. Again, we got this nice and snug. We have the PVC connected. We've got that nice and flush. So now we just need to put those bolts back in. Now the trick to starting the car after you've done this is you're going to have to push that pedal almost like the motor is flooded all the way to the floor and crank the car to get it to start, because after you've taken the throttle body cover off, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that section a little bit right now so you can see it closer up. Once you've taken that throttle body cover off and you've flushed it out with that carburetor cleaner, it's almost going to be the equivalent of as if it's going to be flooded. So I forgot one washer over here, the larger of the two. So, and the temperature today is only about 20-some degrees, so if you see me fumbling a little bit, you'll have to forgive me because my hands are getting kind of chilly right about now. So there's my other washer on there. Let's screw this back in. Remember, we've got the other one on the back side as well. And then we're going to use our 8mm ratchet to snug those down. Again, remember that this is plastic, so you want to get it nice and snug, but I wouldn't over torque it, or you might have an issue with it cracking. I got that plenty snug. We're going to do the same thing with the back one. There we go. So we've tightened up those two bolts. We've reconnected the PVC connector. We also clamped down this as well on the front of the motor. So I'm going to go ahead and widen the shot a little bit. We're going to go ahead and give this a start. And again, when you try to start it after you get done doing this procedure, you want to make sure that you push that pedal all the way to the floor. Hold it down until it starts, and then you'll get a nice even flow after that. So I'm going to walk around and give her a crank. All right, so that's how you clean the throttle body so you don't have that phantom stall issue with your Jaguar. So thanks for watching, and all we have to do is put that cover back on, which is real easy. Slide this one on first. Just watch this piece right there. And last but not least, this one here. All right, there you go. And you have a much happier motor now. So thanks for watching, and thanks for paying to view this video. Have a great day.